got something in the mail today. Yes. I have not done cross stitch since I was in high school. I'm kind of excited about these ones. An oogie boogie. Look at this one. Poison ivy. Let's check this one out first. Here's the picture it came from. Easily distracted by cats and yarn. Okay. Alright, it's got that. Let's see what the fabric... Ooh, it comes with... Nice. So nice. There's an extra. Okay, I have never done a cross stitch like this. I'm pretty excited about it. It does come with a couple needles. You will want like an embroidery hoop or whatever you use to pull the fabric tight. I've always graphed mine out myself, so this is actually really cool. I'm gonna have to look over this some more. Oh guys, I am excited. Oh, it even has a little picture up in the corner of what it's supposed to look like. You know what? We've got time. Let's go ahead and open up this Oogie Boogie too. I don't want to get any of this stuff mixed up. Sit you over there. Oogie Boogie. Where to open? One of my kids has already claimed the Oogie Boogie. Alright, cool. So you do get a good picture. And you have that as well. Ooh, nice. I don't know all of these stitches, so that is really cool. A little fun fact, I actually entered a cross stitch competition when I was in high school. And there's a lot of black in this one, but all the yellow is black. This is going to be so fun. Oh, so it also tells me information about it, the pattern print. Okay. Oh, okay. When you're done with this, you can wash it and all of that will come out. So cool. What do you guys think? This is really neat. I'm going to have information in the video description below, or it'll be kind of like floating around on the screen somewhere. This is cool. This is going to be a lot of fun. And I still have this one too. Yes, these are really cool. I'm excited to get started and we'll see how these turn out.